Mind is, we can say, the collection of our sanskaras. Mind is like originally when there is no sanskara, when our sanskara is become like many information come and then many sanskaras dense. Information we needed. You are getting some information. With this information, if jealousy come or fear come, information is collect in the mind, and then mind start to give problem. Then our mind start to polluted with wrong information. There was a one girl, and mother, because this girl is not taking food, and mother always tell that if you don't take food, your food I will give you the neighbor's boy. And then again and again this information came, every day when, when she would like to give food and baby deny and then say, if you don't take this food, I will give you the neighbor's boy. She heard that neighbor's boy is coming, since she become very angry. No, no, don't allow to her come in my house. She will take my milk. She will take my dolls and words. She gave by like she has no bad intention. Her mother is very important to every woman. They should aware about that what they are telling to their what they are teaching to their child. With this, because they did not care. Jealousy develop, ego develop, fear develop. When this impurity is developed in the system, and our system will start to correct it, and then all the life we suffer with this. Like we say, in scientific language, we say brainwashing. This kind of, if suppose brainwash is happening, and this disturb our talent, disturb our growth, and disturb our whole life. According to the Shaktipat system, the Sanatan system, everybody, the growth should be very right direction. Means everybody should be, should get enlightened in this life. So what happened with this kind of information? Our the natural and perfect growth is disturbed. The growth like the proper growth based on morality, based on no any kind of pollution, very perfect knowledge, perfect information. So what happened with this kind of information? Our the natural and perfect growth is disturbed, and we start to, our life is become hell because of this kind of pollution in the society we are happening having. I can give you another. Suppose like fear. Everybody has fear to die. Right? Oh, Cobra, you can be died. Oh, that you can, So only people are teaching negative information. Nobody teaching that if Cobra, a person can die, how to manage, how to manage with Cobra. The protection, the awareness. Nobody teach the awareness. And if suppose some Cobra come in front of you, how you can manage? One should not give fear. One should give the information how to manage. If we have this kind of negative attitude, the mind is become very dangerous in this atmosphere. And then you cannot manage mind. It is very difficult to manage. If you have like positive atmosphere, then easier to manage mind. So since childhood, we are collecting many negativity. And this negativity, this pollution, is big obstacle to enter. So now mind is become out of control. Even you cannot control. If suppose fear come, you cannot control fear. If anger come, you cannot control anger. Any kind of jealousy come, you cannot control jealousy. And then what happen, when you do meditation, with your meditation, Shakti try to clean this mind washing, whatever people are acting from childhood or maybe from many life. And this impurity is settled in your body, with your pranic body, your mental body, with your intellectual body, with your blissful body. When Shaktis wake up immediately, first Shakti start to reduce this pollution. But Shakti is very powerful. It can very fast, very fast cleaning is possible. Grace of Shakti. So that's why many people are there, even in this group also. They immediately, after some time, after few weeks, they start to feel like they have very less fear than before. They have less jealousy than before. They have less ego than before. So in this way, and then what happened? Because when this pollution is there, and then mind is become out of control. And when this pollution is become reduced, and then mind is become under control. And if mind is out of control, it will give you suffer. And if mind is under control, it give you pleasure.